No, of course some need a private desk. The main CEO and like that has to have his private meetings. But actually, we made the headquarters for Deloitte, 26,000 square meters, one open space, even the directors sitting in this open space, because it's so much about knowledge sharing. And you get a better knowledge about what's happening, both from the director side and from the people that works in the company, and that improves their productivity a lot. So this idea about having a lot of private workspaces, this is not the way to do it nowadays. Because, as I said, there has to be diversity. There's not only one piece of furniture that works. Sometimes in Swedbank there's some pieces of furniture you walk into, like a little cave you walk into, where you're more or less yourself. Others you're sitting in a sort of a lounge area, and then of course you can be sitting at a desk as well. So it gives a lot of challenges and therefore a lot of possibilities for a manufacturer to do a lot of different kinds of furniture.